viewers, welcome. Today's tutorial is here. Today we are making an elegant earrings, fan style earrings. First of all, we have picked a jump ring. We have to start beading around this small jump ring. We will make brick stitch style earring. Here we are adding turquoise seed beads 11 around this jump ring. First of all, we tight double knot around this jump ring. Then we started beading with seed beads 11. We will add each time one bead in brick stitch style. This is brick stitch, so we have to add beads here one by one, each time one after one. In this way we will add around this jump ring total 12 beads will be added here. 12 beads, seed beads. After this we will next step. We are starting next step. Now we have picked two teardrop shaped multi-shaded 2 beads and 1 seed bead between 2 beads. Now we are passing through seed bead 11, which we beaded in the beginning of our tutorial. Now we have added 2 multi-shaded beads, long beads. So we will be adding these long beads with seed beads, 1 bead, long bead with 1 seed bead each time, and we will be adding these beads as you can see in this video. So watch it carefully, cause we will change the number of beads, seed beads, after adding some long beads. We will change. In the beginning we are adding 1 seed bead between these long beads. We are adding these long beads with seed beads passing through turquoise seed beads. Now here we have changed the number of seed beads between long beads. You can see now we have added 2 seed beads between 2 long beads, multi-shaded long beads. We are adding 2 to balance our circle shape. We are making these fan style earrings, so we have to maintain its curve. So watch it carefully. We are adding now 2 seed beads each time with long beads. In the center of this fan style earring we will be adding 2, and later on we will be adding 1 each time as we added in the start of this round. As we added in the start of this round. So now we are adding 1 between long beads, 1 seed bead each time. Again we have started adding 1 seed bead with 1 long bead, multi-shaded long beads, teardrop shape beads. Fan style earrings are in trends nowadays. So on my channel I have uploaded 1 or 2 videos before on my channel about fan style earrings. You can watch there. Now we are adding here earring wire. Earring wire will be added with 3 seed beads, 11 plus 2 barley shape multi-shaded beads around earring wire, right and left side of earring wire. We have added seed beads and 2 barley shape multi-shaded beads with our earring wire. We will pass through these beads and wire 2 times. Our thread we will pass through beads 2 times to secure our earring wire, secure, to make it secure and stable. So it is done now. Now at the end here is another step. We will add some more seed beads, 11 between side beads which we beaded in the last round. Turquoise seed beads, 11. We have to add some more beads between these to fill these gaps. We are adding 2 seed beads each time. In this way we complete this process, and we will add between all gaps 2 each time, 2 seed beads, 11 each time. I hope today's project, today's earrings, you would like it and you must try it. At the end you will see its elegant look. Kindly subscribe my channel, don't forget it. As you know, my channel is not so old, it's a new channel. I need your subscriptions, your likes, your comments, your encouragement. So please, I request you, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share it. Now making knots in the end. We have make knots on back side, and We have trimmed the extra thread. Now it's ready. Its final look in my hands. You can look. It's elegant, sterling, shining earrings, multi-shaded beads enhance its beauty. I always try to use some different style of beads, some different kinds of beads. I work very hard and I try my best to collect good beads. So I will say bye now. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.